Hey guys, welcome back to No Madness Adventures. Last time I left you, ignore this. This isn't mold. This is just water protectant for the wood up here. But anyway, so we did the poor man's fiberglass, right? And then we went to paint it, and it looked like crap because you could see all the pieces. You could see any imperfection when we went to paint it. And then we painted it, and then the water got in between, and you had to peel all the poor man's fiberglass off this side. Then we tried the rhino liner, and what you're looking at right here is probably $200 worth of rhino liner, and look at it. It just won't. It would take what? It won't cover. It would take 4 coats or 5, right? It'd end up costing us what, $3,000-$4,000 in rhino liner. Even though it gives you a waterproof, flexible surface, there's no way. I mean, look, this is crazy, and still shows imperfections. It would take 4 coats. So we already mapped that out and said that's ridiculous. We've already spent $300 on rhino liner, the raptor liner, and this is what it looked like. And that's just part of one side. So yuck. So here's what we're doing now. We are doing wood, and that's gonna look really good when it's done.
It's like shiplap.
Like shiplap.
I bet you if you hold this for me, I can get this done.
Okay.
How's that end?
I'm pushing.
No, I mean, how's the
Yeah,
end? Is it
it's flush.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is where we're at now, and it's going to be
a lot of thinking of what to do.
Even though I showed you a picture of a shingled side cabin with wood, but we didn't do cedar because cedar's really heavy. Like, that's the thing, is we're trying to keep it as lightweight as we can, right?
Yeah.
Should do the center.
No,
Okay.
not yet.
So this is probably going to be the best solution.
Then I'll watch. And I'll show you.
Okay.
This next piece
Goes underneath.
going
I get it.
underneath. Can you hold
Do you need to put glue down?
it? Nah. It's
Okay.
all over the place. I can't tack it all because I gotta
Right.
slide that under.
I know. Okay. So what's your plans for that right there where the window is? To keep going and then cut it out for the window?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I think this is going to look much better.
It's gonna look great.
It is.
It looks great.
And then we're doing the bottom in the diamond plate, right?
Yep.
The black?
Sure.
That would look good because then we'll do a black stripe on the side. We'll paint one of the, all the way down the side. We'll paint a black, board black. And maybe mint. Yeah. All right, so this is where we're at, guys. You want an update? You got it. It's been a crazy 2 weeks of rain. He's had to peel off. It bubbled when the rain got under
This
it.
side didn't bubble.
The side didn't bubble. I don't get
And the
it.
back didn't either.
Yeah, but the front and the other side bubbled. He had to rip off all the cloth. It's been nuts.
It's just been raining and raining and raining.
It's the rain, man. That is just brutal. And then how do you do a trim piece to close off those sides?
Just like an L,
Oh, okay.
like a
Angled?
angle.
Yeah.
Get some aluminum or something.
Oh, yeah. Black. We'll paint it black. Yeah, that's gonna look much better. So, He's got 2 weeks off coming, so we'll really be able to put the time in. All right, guys, there's the update. Oh, God, this is so funny to me. And Max needs a bath really bad. I did clean the inside. So Max is all ready to go on a trip. Like I said, he's got 2 weeks off. I want to go to Lake Michigan. So we're going to get Max ready for a little trip and have a great day at Lake Michigan. And I will film it for the members on my other channel, No Madness Life. And that's pretty much where we're at right now, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.